This place looks so different. Check this out. Big air stone, air pump. I need 2 of these. $900.
We're not gonna drop one of these.
Not one.
Not one.
Plug her in, Dan. Whoa! Wow. What is going on, Crows? Welcome back to another video. My backyard is completely flooded right now. We had a worse rainstorm than the hurricane that happened recently last night out of nowhere. Just bam. Look at that big blue heron right there. My pond is completely overflowed into my neighbor's backyards. Literally, that's how much rain we got. Look at this. Flooded, completely. The ducks are swimming on the bank. These rainstorms in Florida just literally happen out of nowhere. It makes no sense. Anyway, about today's video. We are wasting absolutely no time. Today we are finishing this pond right here. Literally by the end of this video, this will be ready for fish. We're gonna be rinsing it out, draining it, building a filtration system, so we're gonna be going to the store that now actually has a fish store inside of the store. It's awesome. So much to happen in today's video. This right here is where we're gonna have the temporary filtration system for this massive 5,500 gallon pond. If you guys didn't see this get painted, you are definitely missing out. Cichlids, what's going on? Good morning, everyone. Lights on, lights on. Wake up, everyone, wake up. Arowana, what's up, bud?
Hey, flower horn, what's going on, buddy? You are so cool.
Turtle lights. Mata is moving around now. His head was facing that way yesterday. Now he's moving all around to eat these fish. You can see him in there. Big old Mata turtle. The fish building is all officially now woken up, and it's time to get things started with the pond. My goodness, this is gonna be crazy.
We have to wait.
Woo! Mantis is looking so good. We're here, koi smart. Oh, it's locked. Oh, thank goodness. This place looks so different. Every time I come in here, they've done something new. Look at this. All the koi fish and goldfish. We have a bunch of koi fish and goldfish over here. Is there koi fish? Oh yeah. Hey, buddies. Yeah, these suckers are expensive. Look at that, $250. This is all the filtration stuff, which, wow. We might need to go get to, but this, wow, wait a second. Check out this fish store in the back. We've been here once before, but it was not established like this yet. That's awesome. I think we can get almost everything we need pond-wise, filtration-wise here at the front. Is that an air stone? Get that.
That's awesome.
Get that, for sure.
Yeah.
Aerator in the pond, 100%.
Yes.
They are loaded. Look at all the neons. They got a lot of stuff in here. Check all this out. We have some discus going on over here, as you can see. I love the scaping in the tanks too. Golly, you guys got all sorts of stuff, huh? Some clown loaches in the back right there. Hey buddy, show the side of yourself. Oh, that's awesome. Little flower horn, a baby. He's got some beautiful color too. Love that.
Blue angels, German blue rams.
So many. Check out this cichlid tank. There's African cichlids all the way around. I mean, all the way around. Crazy. This whole thing is African cichlids. Other than these. Hey. That actually came out amazing. This was just getting started last time I was here, so I'm impressed. It looks actually really, really good. Check this out. Big air stone, air pump. I need 2 of these. The front pond aerator is not working, and the back one needs one, so we're gonna get, I don't even know how much these are. I know they're expensive. They're like 300 bucks. I don't really want to spend all that money, so maybe we just get 1 for now. And then the little air stone, I already have the tubing for that. We'll stick to 1 for now. At $300, yeah, we'll stick to 1.
But that one will do it.
That will do it.
And it's 1,400 bucks.
All right, can we do that?
Whatever
Pump.
else we need to set it up today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's perfect.
That is beautiful.
That is literally exactly what you need.
That is. Check it out.
It's huge.
All right, so he's getting the filter set up for us. We are mid-purchase of this filter right now. And honestly, bro, I did not come in here expecting to spend like 3 to 4 grand, but it looks like we're gonna have to.
You're gonna have to.
Smash the like button, Cuffaro, because I'm gonna need all the engagement I could possibly get on this video.
Yep.
Hey, there's the fountain that we have in the duck pond. It's the same one. I think I bought the smaller one, actually. This one? Or that one? Probably this one.
Probably this one.
Yeah.
That's a big gill.
Yeah.
That's a big old gill.
That way when we transfer the fish, if they decide to want to have to jump out for the first couple of days of being in the pond, they can't. They're gonna hit a net and ricochet back down to the water. $900.
No.
Yep.
No.
Just for the UV filter.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Stop. Put it back. Put it back.
We need our fish.
Oh, you turned into a very white man.
All right. We bought a lot of stuff.
This is a big day.
Pump, tubing, filter, net, pump, aerator, aerator stone, aerator tubing. Yeah, so much. But we got it all. This is everything we need. I actually have purchased a filter with Rodrigo and Predatory up in New York. I still have that one as well. That's like the big baby gilt, like the big
old baby gilt.
Sorry for the traffic, it's really crazy over here. But that one, it's probably still gonna ship to my house. Santa Claus coming to town. Play the explosion meme after this?
Uh-huh.
Oh, the UV sterilizer. My goodness golly.
Want to carry it?
That'd be awesome.
Santa Claus.
Oh! Oh, the mesh bottle.
Redo that.
Good to see you.
Bye, thank
See you,
you.
bud. You too. We've got it all.
Gosh dang it.
Took Daniel's truck. He's a fisherman. But we got it all. My goodness, that was an hour-long process. Shout out to Koi Smart. Let's go home. You all right, Brenton? Yeah, it's raining. We are back at the house. All the boys are here. We got David, Daniel, Jake Quizzy, Brenton Zeckleton.
Sorry, I forgot half your yard is made out of water.
Well, as of right now, with all the rain.
Yeah, all right, I got this baby gill.
And all of our products right here. Everything we bought, everything is at the pond. We're back home. It is time to get this thing rolling. It's gonna be awesome.
Oh yeah. Those are about to go.
Yeah.
Come on.
That sound is so satisfying.
Oh my gosh. We're not gonna drop one of these.
Not one.
Not one.
Not one.
Come on.
Yeah!
Yeah!
That is a bunch of media. So we have completely capped off this one right here. So we are not using this one whatsoever, but it looks nice from the outside. We got our outlet right here by the filter. Release the Taco Bell from the night before. Oh yeah. We got the pump right here. Glue going. This is awesome, boys and girls. Let her dry, and that is gonna go right into the pond over yonder. Here's our filter. This thing's gonna be kicking butt. Super, super cool. Worked out perfect. Pump right there comes up, 90 here, piece of PVC, 90 straight down, 90 this way, 90 that way. That valve right there in the middle, piece of PVC into here. And that is gonna be for the pump side of everything, if that made sense. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. If not, you're gonna see it here in just a second. And this right here is where the water comes out of after being filtered. So it'll come straight out of that and all the way this way into here, because we want to utilize this. But that's only if we'll have enough PVC to reach to here, because all this back here is unseen anyway. If not, then we're just gonna literally come here, straight up, straight that way, right into the pond. Which honestly might be the better option, to just stick close to over here. This is probably a lot easier to do that way. Yeah. See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You know? And then when we do water changes, just everything's done right there. We are currently all doing different tasks to get this done as fast as possible, because you're watching this the same day we did it. Is that not crazy? I mean, it's almost like we need to open up a PVC company.
I don't think that is, no.
No?
Nope.
All right. I mean, if you ask me, this is very well done. This piece is on. We are one away from finishing the first step.
Feel good?
Looks pretty solid to me. We're removing the tape from around the windows. I totally forgot about this, I'm not gonna lie. It's actually really satisfying. Look at that. Oh. We're making sure these things don't go anywhere. UV is now going on the return side. It's actually the same UV that we used in the front pond, same exact one. The UV is nice and large. Once the UV is in, then we can officially start filling this big old pond up, but that's gonna take a very long time to fill up. So rather get this thing done sooner than later so we can start getting water in it. These UVs are scary. You're not really supposed to touch them at all. Make sure these go in. There we go. Bam. UVs are both done. And all we gotta do now is finish the one more piping out of the return and into the pond, and we're done. I hate well water so much. We are rinsing all the walls off and everything off. Then I'm gonna pump all this water out, and we will have a clean pond ready to fill up. It's unfortunate I don't have my RO system set up yet, because this water would be a lot clearer once we fill it up. This is gonna have like a little yellow tint because we have well water here, but gotta do what you gotta do. We are officially filling up now. The water has that little bit of tint, which I hate. But you know what? Over time, it does clear up. Why am I pink right now? What's going on? Why am I pink? I have a GoPro every single week break on me, so we're taping a phone up like that. That's our time lapse. Gotta do what you gotta do to get the shot. It is a couple hours later. We are here at the pond. Brenton's first look.
Oh wow. Nothing's leaking yet?
Nothing's leaking.
Dude, the watercolor.
It's so weird.
Why?
I don't know.
You could have filled it with like a regular hose and
You
just...
could have hired a truck.
It's clear. It just has a tint.
Dude, it's really, really hard to explain, especially on camera. It looks whack.
It looks like brackish water.
Yes, yes.
I mean, I like
It's a lot different than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a lot clearer. No, it is clear. The tint is a very yellow tint.
Stained.
It's stained, but I think it's gonna clear up over time because it always does for all the tanks as well. As you can see, the tanks are filled with the exact same stuff. That's a perfect example. See, over time, right, guys? Right? Yeah. But hey, we got this thing filled with water. We are past the windows, so I can't wait to see it all the way up past. Unfortunately, it's Vlogmas. We gotta get this video up. Make sure you subscribe because next video you'll see how this actually looks, fully filled up. I'm gonna swan dive into it for the intro of next video.
What?
So don't miss that. Absolute swan dive straight to the water as the intro. If this video gets 10,000 likes. Plug her in, Dan. Whoa! Whoa! Yes, sir! We got her flowing! She's flowing! She's flowing, baby! Yeah! Oh yeah, aerator is now on. So as you can see, obviously the water's gonna be higher, so it won't be making this much commotion. But aerator, that, as you can see over there, I have put a wave maker to continue the flow. Looks amazing. Thank you all so much for watching and being here for this. Check out the merch, top link in the description. This is one of the new designs. Become a member so you get all exclusive content. That link is down below, and I will see you right back here tomorrow. Peace. That's probably not a problem, is it? No, not bad. I think we're good. Yeah, we're fine. All right, anyway.